Hello students, good morning everyone. Today we will discuss in 8th class science about pressure. We have already discussed in the last chapter about many type of forces. The forces which act in different directions. By applying force we can change the shape, size or position of the object. Now we will discuss about the pressure. When many forces are applied, then these forces are also effect on the area which is covered by the object, and the pressure is the ratio of the force with respect to area. Pressure is denoted by P. P is equals to F upon A. This is the mathematical representation of the pressure. Here P is the pressure, F is the force and A is the area. Okay? A body always exerts a force. A body always exerts a force, and the force which is applied on the body that cover a particular area, and the ratio of this force with respect to area is known as the pressure. Okay? The effect of this force on the surface depends on the area. Effect of this force depends on the area. After that, our daily life examples. With the help of examples, we can explain this term deeply. In our daily life, we use in schools school bags. Generally, school bags have wide strips that we kept on our soldiers. Why school bags have wide strips? Because they cover a large area of our soldier, and when area is the large, then pressure at that time is become small. Because with the help of this formula, pressure is directly proportional to force and inversely proportional to area. As we increase the force, then the pressure is also increases, and as we decrease the force, the pressure is also decreases. Means pressure is directly related to the force, but inversely related to the area. On increasing area, pressure is decreased. Similarly, when the wide strips of our school bags cover a large area of our soldier, then the pressure exerted by the school bag's wide strip is small, and we can feel comfortable and not too much weight on our soldiers. Okay? After that, similarly, next example. It is more difficult to sharp with a blunt knife. To cut with a blunt knife. It is more difficult to cut with a blunt knife as compared to sharp knife. Because blunt knife cover a large area and pressure is not too much. pressure applied by us is small and it becomes difficult to cut the fruits and vegetables with a blunt knife as compared to sharp knife, because sharp knife cover a small area and the pressure applied by us is the large. Okay. So with the help of this example, we can easily explain the term pressure. After that, pressure, units of the pressure. Next, units of pressure. P is equals to F upon A. Here, force is expressed in general in Newton SI unit and area is meter square. So, 1 Newton per meter square is equals to 1 Pascal. Pascal is denoted by PA. So, SI unit of the pressure is Pascal. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. And 1 Pascal is equals to 1 Newton per meter square. Okay. After that, gravitational unit of the pressure. This is the SI unit of the pressure. Now, gravitational unit of the pressure. Gravitational unit of pressure. 1 kilogram weight is equals to 9.8 Newton. 1 kilogram weight is equals to 9.8 Newton. So, 1 kg weight per meter square is equals to 9.8 Newton per meter square is equals to 9.8 Pascal, because 1 Newton per meter square is equals to 1 Pascal. So, 1 kg weight is equals to 9.8 Pascal. This is the gravitational unit of the pressure. After that, another unit to measure the pressure is in atmosphere. Another unit which is generally used in our daily life is in atmosphere. Atmosphere is generally denoted by ATM. It is generally denoted by ATM. 1 ATM is equals to 1.01 into 10 raised to power 5 Pascal. This is the relation between 1 ATM and the SI unit of the pressure, which is Pascal. Okay. 1 atmospheric pressure is the pressure which is exerted by the air which is present in our atmosphere. The pressure exerted by the air is known as the atmospheric pressure. Okay students, after that some another facts that involves pressure. First one is the nails have a flat top. Nails mean steel, have a flat top but sharp. Nails have a flat top but sharp pointed end. Sharp pointed end. Because when we fix the nails in wooden or in wool, then the sharp pointed end covers a less area less, and the pressure applied is high. So nails have sharp pointed end. Okay. Another, sieving needles. Machine sieving needles also have pointed tips. Also have pointed tips because these pointed tips cover a small area of the cloth or paper and etc. and the pressure applied by the sieving needle is too much large. Okay. After that, how we reduce the pressure? Vehicle brakes have flat surface. Due to the flat surface of the vehicle brakes, we can reduce the pressure. Here we explain some examples where reduce the pressure. Vehicles generally have flat surface of brakes. Means vehicle brakes have flat surface. This reduces the pressure on the vehicle's tires over the road. Due to the flat surface of the brakes, it reduces the pressure over the tires on the roads, and pressure is reduced due to the flat surface. Broader area is covered. When area is increased, then the pressure is decreases. Okay. After that, broad sole shoes. We wear the shoes that have broad soles. Broad soles cover larger area and the pressure becomes smaller. Okay, and we can easily comfortable walk on the road or on the sand. We cannot slip. Okay. After that, tractor tires are also broad. Tractor tires are also broad. Due to the broadness of the tractor tires, the area covered by the tires is large on the sand or land, and the pressure becomes small, and they can easily walk on the land, not slip or not sink into the ground. Okay. After that, camel's foot are also broad and soft. Foot of the camels are also broad and soft due to the broadness and softness of the camel's foot. They can easily walk on the sand because their foot cover a large area and the pressure is decreases. Okay, students. After that, we will discuss about atmospheric pressure. Next is the pressure of the air which is exerted in our atmosphere is known as the atmospheric pressure due to the presence of weight of the air. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure which is exerted by the presence of the weight of the air in our atmosphere. Okay. After that, atmospheric pressure on the earth's surface at sea level is 100,000 Pascal. 100 at sea level, the atmospheric pressure is the 100,000 Pascal. When we blow air inside a balloon, it expands. Why balloon expands when we blow air into it? Because air exerts a pressure, and when we apply too much large air into the balloon, then sometimes the balloon bursts, because air exerts a large pressure on the walls of the balloon, and when the pressure becomes too much high, then the balloon is burst and air comes out from the balloon. Okay, so atmospheric pressure. Now atmospheric pressure is used to measure the pressure. An instrument which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure is barometer. Barometer is an instrument which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. What is barometer? A barometer is a glass tube that contains a liquid which is mercury present in this glass tube, and the level of the mercury decreases or increases due to the presence of air pressure. Okay, so the pressure is measured by the height of the mercury column. Suppose this is a glass tube, it contains mercury, and this height of the mercury column tells about the atmospheric pressure. This height of the mercury column increases or decreases in the barometer glass tube. It is 760 mm of Hg, 760 mm of Hg. Hg means mercury. This is the unit of to measure the atmospheric pressure in barometer instrument, mm of Hg. This 760 mm of Hg is the atmospheric pressure at sea level. At sea level. After that, atmospheric pressure vary with altitude. Altitude means height. When we go upward, the height increases and then the atmospheric pressure decreases. Due to the increment of the height, the level of the mercury decreases. Okay. After that, why we need atmospheric pressure? If the atmospheric pressure is removed suddenly, then our blood vessels and tissues will not work properly and the flow of the blood in our body stops and our circulatory system does not work properly. So we need pressure. Okay. After that, atmospheric pressure on other planets. On other planets, what is the effect of the pressure? Atmospheric pressure is the pressure due to the presence of the air or atmosphere. On the planet on which no atmosphere is present, there no atmospheric pressure will be exerted. And where the air exists, then atmospheric pressure works too large. After that, some points which we have to remember, that some mountaineers or some deep sea divers carry oxygen cylinders with them, because at high mountains or in deep sea the atmospheric pressure decreases and they cannot get a proper amount of the sufficient amount of oxygen for their breathing. So they carry oxygen cylinder with them and they cannot feel without this comfortable. Okay. After that, some important observations which we observe in our day-to-day life about atmospheric pressure. First observation is in drinking straw. Drinking straw. When we suck with the help of drinking straw in the cold drinks, then first the air which is filled in the straw is removed outside, and after removal of the air, the straw suck the liquids and we get that liquid in our mouth after sucking. Okay. After that, dropper. Similarly, when a doctor or medicines fill dropper with medicines, then first he pushes out the air which is present in them with the help of the pressure which is applied by pressing the top part of the dropper. You can also observe this phenomenon at your home when we take medicine with the help of a dropper. Then first we push out the air which is present into the dropper, and after that we fill the medicine in that dropper. Okay. After that, next is vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is a device which is used to clean our surroundings. It collects some teeny pieces of paper and dust particles very fastly by applying pressure on this instrument. Okay, students. After that, filling of syringe. Filling of syringe or injection by liquid. Doctors, when fill syringe or injection with the liquid, they also use atmospheric pressure. First they remove the air from the syringe, and after pushing the button, they fill the medicine into the syringe in the form of a liquid. Okay, students. After that, you have to solve numericals on this topic about the pressure and the atmospheric pressure. Thank you.